Hi, I'm Dawn with K-Squared Technologies. In this tech tip, we'll look at how to customize your Microsoft Outlook calendar by adding multiple time zones. Do you work in an organization with offices around the country or around the world? Or maybe you're working with clients or partners that are in other locations. If you are often managing meetings and appointments with people in different time zones, it can be helpful to show more than one time zone in your Outlook calendar. To display up to 3 time zones in your calendar, try these different techniques. 1. Simply move over to the left-hand side of your calendar and right-click. And here you see the option, Change Time Zone. If I'm in the Pacific time zone, maybe I want to label this to make it a little bit clearer. Now, it's easiest if you have a short label for this. And let's show a different time zone. For this one, maybe I want this to be the Central Time Zone. And simply pick it from the list. And perhaps a third one. In this case, we'll make it the Eastern Time Zone. However, it could be a time zone that's on the other side of the world. Now, once you set these up, you also have the option to swap time zones if that makes sense. So it's just a matter of deciding which of these has priority, and we'll OK. Notice how these display now in your calendar. So instead of having to do the time zone math in your head, you have it right here in your calendar. Now we can get to this a couple other ways. One is under the View tab in your calendar, Time Scale, and here is Change Time Zone. Takes us to exactly the same place. We also could have come here by choosing File, Options, and then Calendar. How much time could this save you to easily arrange meetings and appointments when you have people in many different locations? In this K-Squared Tech Tip, you've seen how to more easily manage your calendar by adding multiple time zones. How can we help you to be more productive? Please reach out to us for IT services and consulting to support you with Microsoft technologies. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.